When it comes to fruits in December, what comes to mind? Just look around me. Something orange and yellow. That's right, citrus. Citrus is known as the king of winter fruits. There's a farm here in Xihu with a wide variety of unique citrus fruits found only in this area. Let's head there right away and see what makes it so special. Hello.
Hey.
What are you picking right now?
This is a special type of citrus fruit found only here in Xihu. On our farm, we have over 20 types of citrus
20.
fruits. Yes, this one is particularly unique. Its shape resembles a papaya, but it's still a member of the citrus family, so we call it papaya honey citrus. This fruit is quite special because it's completely seedless and extremely sweet. Among citrus fruits, this is one of the finest quality.
This place is like a department store with over 20 types of citrus fruits.
Exactly. Take a look. Notice the first one? No seed.
You're right. Modern people do need this.
Yes, and it's perfect for the elderly or children who don't like sour flavors. It's an excellent and premium fruit for everyone.
I can already smell its fragrance from here.
Go ahead, try it.
I've never tasted anything like this before.
Right? Isn't it aromatic?
Yes, and the texture reminds me of a mix between pomelo and orange. It's not sour at all, and the pulp bursts with juice.
Exactly. From the Middle Autumn Festival to Lunar New Year's, which is in February, it's the peak season for harvesting citrus fruit. Starting with white pomelo and wendan pomelos, followed by various citrus fruits, it's a non-stop harvest.
Before coming here, when it comes to citrus fruits, I only knew kumquats and bonggan mandarins. I had no idea there were so many different types of citrus. What left the deepest impression on me was the papaya honey citrus. It's already sweet, but Miss Peng told me it wasn't fully ripe. It was only about 70% ripe. If left to ripen for another week or two, it'll become even sweeter. It was already so delicious, I can't imagine how much sweeter it could get. With over 20 types of citrus fruit here, whether you like something tart, sweet and sour, or purely sweet, there's something for everyone. Taiwan truly lives up to its reputation as the kingdom of fruits. You must come and try it.
Well, you worked so hard picking the fruits earlier.
Thank you.
Here's a cup of our farm's signature Sanbao tangerine fruit tea.
Oh, this is tangy with a strong fruity aroma.
Exactly. This is our fruit tea, made from our farm's special Sanbao tangerine. It's sweet and tangy with a unique flavor, right? Do you like
It's
it?
so good. I usually dislike sour flavors, but this tea strikes the perfect balance and the fruitiness really comes through.
I'm glad you like it.
I do. I already caught the aroma of this feast from far away. It smells amazing.
Yes, let's dig in.
I want to try this first. It looks like vermicelli as it looks transparent.
This is also from our farm. White pomelo fruit of a 70-year-old tree.
You mean this is white pomelo?
Surprising, isn't it? It's nothing like what you'd expect.
I thought it was vermicelli.
How does it taste?
It's so special. The dried fish has a salty and bitter taste while the pomelo adds sweetness. The flavors combine beautifully.
Yes, there are multiple flavors in one dish.
And this looks like braised pork belly.
It comes with a little story. Take a look at it. It's indeed pork belly. The dish is cooked with kumquats from our farm. We put kumquats into this dish.
The aroma is incredible. Was it roasted? I can smell a hint of caramel.
That's right. We use some innovative techniques, caramelizing it slightly for that charred flavor. The kumquats help cut through the richness of the pork. My mom always cooked with love, and her cuisines are very creative. Even though these are simple home-cooked dishes, each one is extraordinary with her special touch. Every guest can't stop raving about it.
The golden citrus fruits makes them not only the best fresh produce of winter, but also the perfect ingredient for Hakka cuisine. This combination creates unforgettable flavors, making them a must-try seasonal delicacy in Xihu's Hakka villages. But Xihu isn't just about the sweet and enticing citrus fruits or the golden waves of rice dancing in the breeze. I've heard there's another golden gem in Xihu, a place teeming with charm and guaranteed to surprise you. Look at the golden retrievers. Aren't they absolutely adorable? Come on. He's so smart. And there's more than one. There are so many of them here, all golden retrievers. Come here, Flower, come.
Flower, come here, sit.
Let's sit and take a break.
She loves being pampered. Can you sit back on your hind legs?
Like this?
All right.
She sits on my lap.
Walnut, sit down. Yes, she must have forgotten how heavy she is, always wanting cuddles.
That's okay. She's so warm and cuddly. Why did you decide to raise so many golden retrievers here in Xihu?
To me, they're family. All of them are from one mom named Hua Gui.
She gave birth to so many puppies?
Originally, we lived in Taichung, but we discovered how wonderful Xihu is.
Xihu is really wonderful. The air quality is excellent, so we decided to move here. It's perfect for them.
Yes, and the people here are so kind and friendly. They're incredibly welcoming.
Just like these dogs.
Exactly.
Something many people don't know is that you shouldn't trim the long fur of golden retrievers recklessly. Golden retrievers are natural swimmers, and their fur contains oil to prevent water from soaking their bodies. If the fur is trimmed too short, it could lead to skin problems and affect their health. According to Mr. Chen, golden retrievers are naturally gentle and are considered the best companion dogs in Western countries. They are so friendly and charming that many visitors forget this place is actually a pet-friendly restaurant, not just a spot to interact with and take photos of dogs. Flower? Good job! How can you be this cute? Living in the city, I always wanted to have a large dog, but never had the space. But here in Xihu, with the excellent environment and fresh air, there's more than enough room to raise so many adorable dogs. It's truly a blessing to be here. So cute! Flower, come! After watching this episode, you might start to see Xihu as a seemingly simple yet vibrant Hakka community. For example, the Jinglong kiln here in Xihu, like other kilns in Miaoli, is renowned for its craftsmanship, producing high-quality ceramic art pieces. These ceramics are well known in Taiwan, and Jinglong kiln enjoys high reputation in Miaoli's ceramic industry. Therefore, a writer living in Xihu incorporated scenes of the Yunti Academy and kilns into his works, continuing Xihu's literary legacy and becoming an important figure in Taiwanese literature. Speaking of Xihu's rich cultural atmosphere, Xihu is home to many talented individuals, including scholars and governmental officials. A significant figure who greatly influenced Taiwanese literature is Wu Zhuoliu. I've heard he has important literature works. I wonder who he is. Let's find out. Hello.
Hello.
On my way here, I saw many materials and photos of Wu Zhuoliu. Are these his works?
Yes, most of these are his early works. This one is The Orphan of Asia.
This one is The Orphan of Asia. I've heard of it. What is the main theme of The Orphan of Asia? What is it about?
It's a semi-autobiographical novel by Wu Zhuoliu. It was originally written in Japanese. Wu Zhuoliu was inspired to write it while teaching as he witnessed the inequality between Taiwanese and Japanese people at the time. Taiwanese were treated unfairly compared to the Japanese. He was actually from Xinpu in Hsinchu County.
So how did he end up in Xihu?
After becoming a teacher, he was assigned to teach in Hsinchu. He felt the educational system was unfair to Taiwanese people, so he wrote an essay criticizing it. As a result, he was demoted to Xihu, which was a remote area back then. He embodied the Hakka spirit of resilience, fearlessly speaking his mind.
He was fearless.
He didn't care who was in power. If something was wrong, he would voice his opinion.
Mountains beyond mountains, lakes beyond lakes. Amid the white clouds lies the lonely moon. Timeless the sun, endless the lake, as the lone boat drifts, fishing hook in hand. Reciting Wu Zhuoliu's works evokes my sympathy about his reflections on personal and national identity. His greatest contribution was using his life savings to independently publish the Taiwan Literature magazine. Through this, he supported younger writers like Li Chao, Long Yingzhong, and Zhong Lihe, allowing Taiwan's literary world to flourish so that not only Mandarin but Hakka and Taiwanese works have room for growth. From this trip, I realized that Xihu has so much to offer, which is beyond my imagination. Xihu has abundance of produce, tasty food, and long-standing culture. What touches me the most is the hospitality of the locals. I can feel their passion for the land and their determination of safeguarding it. There are many interesting places in Taiwan worth exploring. I am Will, and this is Linkin368 Taiwan. Where will we visit next? See you guys next time.
路途西经，充满生命力。我的决心，让代代延绵。过去现在，和未来无限。台湾发展，全世界兴盛。勇敢热情，脚步不停。在汪洋中，要游向未来。华丽转身，华丽转身，咱做伙华丽转身。伫汉子啊，心手相连下，拼出一片台湾。坚强勇气，坚强勇气，咱斗阵坚强勇气，成为一尾坚强有活力的台湾兄。